guys, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but we are currently in a freaking snow blizzard right now. It is freaking crazy, you guys. There are like piles and piles of snow around town. It is so crazy. But we actually had to get out, which I know is not really safe. Okay, I have a haircut appointment because I have a funeral tomorrow in a band trip that I'll tell you guys a little bit more about later. I'm hoping does not get canceled. But we're at the bank right now. I'm gonna go get a haircut, so I'll check back in with you guys. But you guys, it is so crazy. Like there is like piles and piles of snow. There's like big snow drifts, and it's crazy, guys.